What documents do you need for a German tax return? Yeah, this is a very important question I always get because most of you are from abroad and don't know, okay, how's German tax system working and what do you have to know? First of all, you need all your personal documents. Yeah, this is very important because if you want to file a tax return, for example, via Elster or with a tax advisor, then you have to dive into and all your personal information, for example, tax ID. Yes, this is the most important thing because there you can connect your personal situation with the tax ID. Bank details. For example, if you're an employee, then well, I want to have my tax return on this bank account, marriage certificate. For example, if you're married abroad and you moved here, then it's very important that the marriage certificate is here. Then the German government can say, okay, they are married. Okay, then we split the taxes, and then you get a little bit less tax. That's a possibility. Resident resignation and previous tax notice. This is very important because with the registration in Germany, you normally also get a tax ID, but mostly the German government also wants to know, okay, there's a city and did they file all the information right? This is the thing. Next thing is employment documents. This is annual payslip, so-called Lohnsteuerbescheinigung. This is a very important thing. In the meantime, the tax advisors get this information direct from the German government because we get the information directly. Monthly payslips, not so, but you can do it. Employer certificate, that's also not this important. A certificate, if there are, for example, you as a foreigner have some special conditions under which you're employed, then it might be some good, but don't the contract of work, you don't have to send them. That is not important for the German government. Bonus statements and severance documents, and this is also very, very important. But the one thing is the money you get, the information you have. The other thing is, for example, the things you can deduct. Deduction are, for example, commuting records, home office costs, work equipment, receipts you bought, for example, a laptop, a MacBook or something like this, insurance payments, and education expenses, for example, for yourself, for children, or for your partner. All of these you can deduct from taxes, different spots, but it's possible. And the very big thing is special income documents, for example, are foreign income statements, rental income reports, investment summaries, crypto transaction logs, side income invoices. These are the points you need if you have another income, because you have to know if you have an employer, then as an employee you get your monthly payslip, and there you see, okay, it's brut, and then down the gross, and down there is the net. And the deduction is, for example, taxes, insurance, and all of these. And this is also electronically sent to the government. But the different income, for example, your side hustle, as I call it, is another thing. There you have to do your taxes yourself. You have to do income, and then the deductions, expenses, and then on the money you have your profit or loss, you have to pay taxes. And this is the thing you have to do yourself for rentals, for foreign bank accounts, for income, as for example, self-employed or something like this. Then it's very good. For example, very big thing, always keep them digitalized. It's very important because I know myself, if you have paper lying around, it sometimes gets lost, or sometimes it's like this, children start painting on it. Had it myself. For example, scanning, file system, cloud storage, backup strategies, and all these. Then you're on a safe space and can say, okay, I did this, and if the German government has any questions, I can give them all the information. Not the original, but I can give them a digital copy, and then everything's fine, and you don't have any problems with the German tax return and the filing. And this is all you need. And if you have more questions, just get in the comment section or just book a meeting with me.